Okay, Jack, come here, dude. We got your new remote control card.
Yeah, blue one.
A blue one? I think Mama did order a blue. Did you order a blue one? Okay. So we saw these, and they work with either a regular remote control. That one's green, but what's this one?
Blue.
Blue. Okay, they work with either a regular remote or a watch remote, right?
Mm-hmm. Yes. AONGAN, I think that's how you say it. We're not sure exactly. We're kind enough to send them to us for Jet to review.
And we got a link and a discount code, right?
Yes, in the description.
And
so look below in the video.
A monster
We're gonna try
a monster
out.
truck?
No, monster truck.
Let's start with this one, dude.
Yeah. Whoa!
Okay, so
Wow. That's yours.
Here's a little charger.
Okay.
This is a wrist remote. We're not gonna do that one yet. Let's do the regular one first, okay? Until we figure out how it works.
Rechargeable batteries in the car.
Whoa!
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 Let me get it started and then you can do it, okay?
Looks like he already knew how to do it. How'd you know how to do that? Hold on.
Okay. Yeah, he didn't even turn it on. I don't know.
I
Here, let Daddy get it going. What? Whoa! It goes sideways.
That's pretty cool.
That is cool.
Leave it be.
Let's see what it can do, Bubba.
Ooh,
That is so cool. Keep chasing it, buddy. Wear him down. What in the world? Wow. You're only 3 and you just took right off with it.
use this one too.
Might just. Whoa. Just 2 boys in their cars. Woo! There he goes. There he goes. Woo!
I think the blue one has more
More power.
yeah.
We need to try the wrist remote.
Okay, what do you got going on here?
I have the wrist remote control.
Okay.
That is cool. So if you turn left.
Can
or
you bring
right,
it up by you?
Yeah, if I can figure out how to get it back over here. Look, Dad, I'm driving with my wrist. Hey! Don't hit my car! Woo! That is cool. Hey! Oh, I'm going the wrong way.
It goes pretty good on gravel even.
Yeah, it does. Hey, Bubba, put my car over here for me, could you? It's a little tricky, but I think it actually does more with this controller than the regular remote control. So down is forward on your wrist.
Okay.
Back is back. And then tilt right or left.
Makes it spin. And that thing cooks on the rock. Pretty cool, Mama. What do you think? Hey. Merry Christmas. This is from me to you.
Oh, thank you. You are so good.
Hey. Hey. You're making me dizzy. Okay, Mama, what do you think?
I think these are awesome little cars. They go wonderful on concrete. Super fast. Jet, turn it over. They go good on gravel. The blue one goes better on gravel than the black one.
Yeah.
A little bit in the grass, but our grass is super thick. I think like lower down grass would work great too. I think it died. Yeah. We need to charge it again.
Okay.
It has a rechargeable battery with a USB charger, and then batteries go in the remotes. But super cool product.
If you didn't have them, would you buy them?
Oh yeah.
Most certainly.
Yeah, for Jet. Now that he can run a remote control car, look at his cheeks, how red they are. He's been running in circles chasing the cars.
I love the toss.
Are they fast?
I tell all there.
Mm-hmm.
You like them?
You want to keep playing with them?
Hey.